Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix DLL files missing error in any game. So if your game won't launch or getting a scary DLL file is missing error, you don't need to worry. This is how you can fix it step by step, even if you are a total beginner. So first, you can launch your game and note the exact name of the missing DLL file, like vcrunchtime140 _1.dll or msvcp140.dll. And after that, most DLL's issue are solved only by installing the latest Visual C++ 3 distributables from Microsoft. So you can just navigate to the official Microsoft site in here by searching for the Visual C++ 3 distributable, and make sure that you open the Microsoft.com. You can go with this or this one, and you can just download and install both the x86 and x64 versions. And don't forget to always download DLL related files only from Microsoft official website. And after installing, restart your PC and try launching the game again. The error should be gone. And if it's still not fixed, you can manually copy the missing DLL from a trusted system folder or reinstall the game. And that's it, DLL error gone. Like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes, and let me know what error you want help with next. And don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!